Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can summon or how you can get a player from scouting point or tactical, this one, the green one, a tactical point I mean. So you can get this tactical point from top up your account or just playing more the game. You can and win it. You and also doing daily mission and many more event. You can get uh, this tactical point, so you can go to scouting, tap scouting. So this one, there are some banner here that you can scout, like regular scout. Currently I'm in small amount of this tactical point. So the main feature is like this one, legendary scout. So you need about 300 scouts point or tactical scout to do about 10 player you can get, and you can get a legendary player. And for beginner, I already taking step 1, and I need to go to step 2. Like one chosen a 3-star player guarantee, so I need to collect about 600 tactical points. So thank you for watching. This video is for beginner playing more and use the tactical point to get player. Thank you. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.